Live, the news on NBC6 at 5 starts now.
There is no money that could bring my son back. There's nothing that could bring my son back.
A mother in mourning now, fighting for justice after her son was killed in a crash on Valentine's Day. After an arrest and a settlement, the family is now looking to hold even more people accountable.
NBC6's Alyssa Hyman is live in Homestead tonight with what they had to say today. Alyssa.
Yeah, that crash happened right here along US 1 here in Homestead. The family's attorneys say the dealership should have never allowed the employee to take that car on the road without providing proper instructions or procedures or proper supervision. And they say their fight for change is far from over.
This is just a nightmare that we live every day and that we would have to live with this for the rest of our lives.
It's been an agonizing 8 months for Judy Rojo, who had to bury her 3-year-old son, Anthony De Leon, after he was hit and killed by an out-of-control driver on Valentine's Day. The driver, Hanscabel Amargos, now charged with vehicular homicide. FHP says he was behind the wheel test driving a Dodge Charger from the Spitzer dealership where he worked when he lost control and crashed into the 3-year-old who was standing at his family's flower stand while they were selling flowers for Valentine's Day.
These past days, months has been a nightmare for us. It's not the same anymore without my son. The only thing we wish every day is to have him back, but we don't.
The family and their lawyers announcing Wednesday that they've settled a massive lawsuit against Spitzer Dodge, the dealership that employed the driver, for $5.5 million.
Those are the full insurance limits that Spitzer Dodge had. They had an undefensible case, and the insurance companies settled that case. This family is not done. Their one wish in this tragedy, one wish is that this does not occur to someone else. There's a big problem out there with fleet vehicles, whether they be at any auto dealership, whether it be at rental car companies, where people just get in and out of unfamiliar cars and drive them on the public streets.
They say their case continues both in civil and criminal court. Judy tells us no amount of money will bring back her baby, but she hopes this fight will make the roads a little safer.
The only thing I want them to understand is for them to be more careful, and that for every action there's consequences.
And the family is also planning to sue Chrysler, the manufacturer of the car. We have reached out to an attorney for the dealership, Spitzer dealership, but we are still waiting to hear back. That's the latest. We're live tonight from Homestead. Alyssa Hyman, NBC6 News.